Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW 1 Series. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, gently sketch a long, horizontal rectangle to define the car's overall length and height. Next, add a smooth, arcing line over the top for the roof line, giving it that classic hatchback silhouette. Finally, place two clear, rounded shapes for the wheel wells, ensuring they are evenly spaced along the bottom edge. This initial framework is crucial for getting the proportions just right. Now, let's bring in some of those signature BMW elements. Focus on the front of your sketch. Carefully draw the distinctive twin kidney grille, making sure it's centered and proportional to the car's width. On each side of the grille, add the sharp, modern headlights, giving them a slightly aggressive look. Then, gently outline the hood's contours, which typically flow smoothly from the top of the grille towards the base of the windshield. These details really start to make it recognizable. Moving along the side, we'll add more defining features. First, sketch the window outlines, ensuring they follow the curve of the roof and the door frames. Next, draw the door cut lines, including a small, rectangular shape for the door handle on each side. Don't forget to add any subtle character lines along the lower body. Finally, within the wheel arches, draw the wheels themselves, adding a circular hubcap and some basic tire tread for a realistic touch. These elements give the car its functional appearance. For our final slide, let's bring everything together. Carefully go over all your lines, making them darker and more defined, and gently erase any stray sketch marks. Add the smaller yet important details such as the side mirrors, the rear taillights, and perhaps a subtle exhaust pipe. Finally, introduce some light shading. Use a soft pencil to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body creases. This adds a three-dimensional quality, making your BMW 1 Series drawing truly pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.